Hi.
Hello.
Turn me loose from your hands. Let me fly to distant lands, over green fields, trees and mountains, flowers and forest fountains. Home along the lanes of the skyway,
From this dark and lonely room, project a shadow casting gloom, and my astral mirrors all the world outside, thinking of the ways that the land can't all the time. And the shadows turn from purple into gray.
just a skyline pigeon dreaming of the open, waiting for the day that he can spread his wings and fly away again. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams you left so very far behind. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dream you left so very far behind.
Let me wake up in the morning to the smell of new morning, to love and cry, to live and die in the plainness of my day.
I wanna hear the pealing bells of distant churches sing, but most of all, please free me from this aching metal ring, and open out this cage towards the sun.
Silent pigeon dreaming on the open, waiting for the day that he can spin his wings and fly away again.
Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams you left so very far behind.